In its heyday, Pittsburgh was the beating heart of U.S. manufacturing. Hundreds of thousands worked the thriving steel mills, supplying the raw materials of the American dream. It was right here in the Steel City that Superbolt was born. It came about as an answer to a problem: large bolts loosening due to vibration. The principle is as simple as it is ingenious. Break high torque requirements into smaller, more easily manageable torques. Tightening a series of smaller bolts makes it easier to set high clamp loads in the main bolt, making it much harder to loosen. And you can use a torque wrench to do the job instead of a sledgehammer. Smarter and much safer. Pittsburgh is still the home of Superbolt, but these days you don't find the multi-jackbolt tensioners in the steel industry only, but on spacecrafts, bridges, processing plants, trains, and offshore wind turbines, to name a few. Some of them even come with sensors in the nut body, making it possible to remotely monitor the preload from anywhere in the world. Superbolt was a game changer from the start, and Superbolt is ready to change the game again.